Hello everyone, my name is Diana Maria Rodriguez Palacios. This is my activity about pronounce English sound with consonants, vowels, and deep tone. Consonants. Think, the, mother, v, seven, er, as in rain, sh, as in fish, ch, as in chair, d, as in jungle, as in hello, d, as in television, mm, morning. Continue with bubbles. E, as in tree. E, das, as in milk. Pen. As in cat. As in car. As in watch. Door. Good. As in school. As in sun. Girl. As in teacher. Continue with diphthongs. Name. As in name. I, as in sky. I, as in toy. Owl, as in house. O, as in nose. I, das ist idea. Das ist her. As is, as in tour. Continue practice with this tongue twister. The Sunny school teacher took a tour with toys and gears, naming new ideas near the sky so clear. Her hair hurried home to the happy house, while her nose noticed the nicest noise around. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget practice.